Alright, I'm gonna change the brakes on the Outback. It's pretty easy. Unbolt the wheels, take them off. I also want to kind of look at the suspension. I see it's pretty corroded. Don't know if it's mud or something. I mean, it's coming off really easily. It could just be a whole bunch of mud, but I'm just trying to figure out more about this car. We'll work on it a little bit. So, this is actual corrosion. I mean, it's breaking apart. Let's see. I can't tell if it's mud or corrosion because it's breaking apart really easily and it's coming out like dust. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, that's definitely corrosion. Look at that piece of metal flaked off. So I need some work in the future maybe. But for right now it's fine. Maybe it was from up north. So I'm gonna check the back pads. Take off these back bolts off the caliper. Looks like that's it. Pop it off, move it to the side. Pop the pads out. It'll be good to go. And for the back it might be a 14. Let me find it. Okay, seeing this like it was a 9/16. You can get the bottom one out. I think these are one place that has like no weathering on it at all. Should be able to pop it off now. A little elbow grease. Set that on top. Definitely need your brake pads. It has no meat on it at all. This one does a little bit. Has some meat, but it was time to go. Got the new ones in the box. Thanks to O'Reilly's. Some nice, cheap, organic ones. That's gonna get the job done. Oh, they come with little feeders. Cool. Do these have feeders on it? Nope, they sure didn't. Let me go ahead and pop these on. These also have some little metal plates that go on the back of them. I guess to protect them from the pistons. You got 4 of them, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the back real quick. You just peel this off and just stick them on. I put the one with the little gauge on the back. You see a little hairpin looking thing. That shit right there. Put that in. Alright, let's stick these on and I'll show you how to press this 2-piston back real quick. And what those are for is to keep metal on metal contact. You know, you really don't want metal rubbing against metal. That was so dumb. See how the old ones had these little plates? Keeps the little metal pieces from rubbing on the actual brake pad itself, the actual material. And this gives it a little room to kind of like move as it compresses to keep from damaging the brake pad itself. You slap on a little of this brake grease on the back of these and on the back of the other one, and also put some on the bolts to keep them from seizing up. Alright, just put a little thin coat on the front and back one. I'm going to push these pistons back. So what I'm going to do to push them back is I'm going to use an old brake pad and set it on top of them and compress it down with my little tool. This is going to be the tool right here. Also, before I did this, I take off the cap of the brake reservoir just so that Where was it? I want to stand up there. Took out the captive brake reservoir so it'll push back without applying any extra pressure. Trying to keep the brake fluid in. If for some reason you topped off your brake fluid when you have low brakes, it will overflow. So just be careful of that. And this is pretty much the setup I got going on. I'm just gonna screw this in. It's really hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna screw this in and it's gonna push the pistons down. The reason I use a brake pad is it does it evenly. You don't have to worry about anything damaging any parts. So let me do that real quick. And they're both down. I went ahead and moved the little thing to the other side just to make sure it was even on this side too. Push it all the way down over here. Then move it over to that. I'd rather beat up an old brake pad than mess up a caliper. Alright, then we should be able to set this back on. And it should just slide back on. Unless you horribly messed up somehow. Which maybe I have, I don't know. Let's see. I hope those little feeders don't get in the way. I wonder if that, yeah. I think the bottom is in the way. Let me pull this back off. There we go. Come on. So what I ended up doing was putting the bottom bolt a little bit in, just hand tight, just so I can guide the top. Now let's get the top back a little bit so I can get this bolt threaded. And I can tighten it back down and move on to the other side. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not too hard, pretty simple. So if you feel like tackling your brake pads on your Subaru, I would say go for it. It's not hard at all. Maybe like an hour job altogether, maybe less if you have power tools. Have at it, my friends. I should have shot this before. Sorry for the loud breathing, but take the balls and torque down some shit at night. Just a cross iron. Alright, so it's like 40 degrees outside. This goes down here, below this little half meter. So yeah, when you push them back, you're gonna push them brake fluid back in here. So usually top off your brake fluid once you have new brakes on and monitor the level.